Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I am very happy that the Honorable Member has brought this bill before this Honorable House. Last time, in the year 1999, when the same kind of bill was brought here, though I was present at that time, I could not participate in the debate when the Honorable Law Minister intervened. While appreciating the spirit of the bill, said that it is not possible for him to support this bill on the ground that if we include this in the fundamental rights in Article 19, then it cannot be enforced at all. He added that we must make a law which is enforceable, and there is no use in passing all sorts of laws which are not in a position to implement. That was his line of argument, and I think that was the correct line. I also appreciate the spirit of this bill. We know that this is a gigantic problem in this country. It is most unfortunate that 50 years after independence, we are not in a position to provide jobs to our young people. This is the reason why in many states youngsters are attracted to terrorism. It is not their fault. It is our fault because we are not providing jobs to them. We are not providing any assistance to them, at least to live. That is why these youths are misguided by some people. Because of economic pressures, they are being attracted to these things and they are joining such movements. It is a very fundamental issue when we are thinking of terrorism or any other problem. It is also a law and order problem, and ultimately an economic problem is also a law and order problem. When people are not satisfied, when people do not get food, clothing and shelter, naturally they will think of other methods of making money. That is why crimes are going up in the very capital city of Delhi. We find every day that crimes like robbery, dacoity, murder and other crimes are going up. So it is very essential for us, for the government, how best we tackle this problem. There are so many methods. I am very happy to say that our government have taken several steps in this regard. When we go through the report of the Rural Reconstruction Ministry, we see that many steps have been taken. Stop.